Military simulations, COAs, and cybersecurity in video game design. Military simulations have long served as a proving ground for strategic planning, battlefield modeling, and decision-making under pressure. One of the most critical components of these simulations is the use of courses of action, COAs, which represent structured plans developed to respond to specific scenarios. In military contexts, COAs help commanders evaluate multiple tactical options, anticipate enemy behavior, and optimize resource deployment. These same principles are increasingly being adopted in video game design, especially in titles that emphasize realism, strategy, and dynamic combat environments. COAs in video game design. Courses of action are used in video games to simulate intelligent decision-making, particularly in artificial intelligence, AI, systems that control non-player characters, NPCs, and enemy units. By integrating COA logic, game developers can create adversaries that respond dynamically to player actions, making gameplay more immersive and challenging. For example, in tactical shooters and military strategy games, enemy AI may evaluate terrain, player position, and available resources before choosing a COA such as flanking, retreating, or calling for reinforcements. Call of Duty, especially in its campaign and warzone modes, showcases COA-inspired design through its enemy AI and mission scripting. Players encounter enemies that adapt to their tactics, use cover intelligently, and coordinate attacks based on battlefield conditions. Similarly, PUBG Mobile incorporates COA-like behavior in its bot systems and game mechanics. Bots and players alike must assess the shrinking play zone, resource availability, and enemy proximity to determine their next move, whether to engage, reposition, or hide. These decisions mirror the kind of tactical reasoning found in military simulations. Cybersecurity in military and gaming networks. As military-grade simulations and commercial gaming platforms increasingly overlap, cybersecurity has become a vital concern. Military simulations often run on secure, isolated networks to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. However, when these simulations are adapted for commercial use or integrated into online multiplayer formats, they face new vulnerabilities that require robust cybersecurity measures. Game companies working with military-grade simulation technologies must implement secure architectures that include encryption protocols, intrusion detection systems, and multi-factor authentication. Red and blue team exercises, where one group simulates cyber attacks and another defends against them, are commonly used to test the resilience of both military and gaming networks. These exercises are now being embedded directly into simulation content, allowing developers and military personnel to train in realistic cyber warfare scenarios. Cybersecurity engineers are also designing scenario-driven training modules that mimic real-world threats. For instance, GovCIO has hired cybersecurity experts to develop cyber scenarios for military simulations at the U.S. Air Force Academy. These modules blend technical expertise with narrative design, helping users understand how to detect, respond to, and recover from cyber attacks. The future of AI-driven wargames and cyber defense. Artificial intelligence is poised to transform both military simulations and commercial video games. Future systems will be capable of autonomously generating COAs, simulating millions of battlefield outcomes, and adapting in real time to player or adversary behavior. This evolution will not only enhance realism in games, but also support cyber defense planning by allowing developers and strategists to anticipate and counter digital threats more effectively. As the boundaries between entertainment and defense continue to blur, collaboration between military strategists, game developers, and cybersecurity professionals will be essential. By combining tactical realism with secure digital environments, the next generation of video games and simulations will offer both immersive experiences and critical training tools for modern warfare and cyber resilience.